Hello everyone, Mr. Mankey here again, and in this module we are going to be discussing how to get to your OneNote notebooks online and access them. This is going to be an important skill because we're often going to be using our OneNote notebooks for math classes, and if we accidentally close out of it or we can't find it right away, it can be frustrating. So this is how you can always navigate to your OneNote notebook. So first, I am going to open up my Google Chrome web browser. In our address bar, we are going to type office.com. Go. So we are now at office.com, and we are going to have to sign in. You guys will be prompted to sign in, and make sure you are using your Science and Tech email. So make sure you're using your DSST email, and we click OK, that's the account, and then it will sign us in. Now here's the really important part, guys. When we're accessing our OneNote notebooks, we don't click OneNote. We're actually going to click Class Notebook. If you don't see Class Notebook right away, you're going to want to click All Apps. It'll bring up all your apps, and it'll be in here somewhere. And for me, because I use it frequently, it's up here in the top left. So I click Class Notebook and Manage Notebooks. So, say I'm in Algebra 2 Honors, I would click to Algebra 2 Honors, and I would click Open Notebook. Now that I am in this OneNote, I'm in my notebook, I'm very nice, and we see all the students who are in here, and I'm in this notebook. I go to Class Notebook, and I can see all these different pages. So this is, yours will look different. This is the teacher side, but yours will look different, and you will now be in your notebook. So that is how you navigate to your notebooks. And say I want to always be able to find this, because in the next module we'll talk about opening in-app so you can work in your desktop. To do that, you'll see what we have to set up first in the next module. But for now, we're online. Say I always want to come here. I simply bookmark, and I would say whatever naming convention you want, and I'm going to put it in that handy math folder we made earlier. So I now have my OneNote bookmarked. I can always find it. So say I get closed out of it, I'm struggling to find it. You can always go to office.com, but how did I find it? Oh yeah, I have this handy math bookmarks bar, and I can then click on the OneNote I have just bookmarked. So everyone, that is how we work with kind of getting to our OneNote notebook online, and also bookmarking it so we can always find it. So thank you all, and hopefully you will enjoy the next modules.